Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH short and sweet in chemistry. Now in this part 5 I am going to explain isomerism in butene and pentene. Now here this is isomerism in hydrocarbon. Isomerism in hydrocarbon I have started from part 1 to part 4 I have completed. Especially in part 1, I have explained what is meant by isomerism and what are the type of isomerism, and after that isomerism in alkane, examples of alkane where the isomerism takes place I have completed. In part 4, I have completed what is isomerism and isomerism in alkene, what are the possible isomerism in alkene. Now in this part 5, I am going to explain examples. If I say butene, if I say pentene, then what are the possible isomerism here? But 1 in. Here it is but 1 in. This is 1. After 1, 2, 3. So after 1 there is double bond, but 1 in, and after 2 there is a double bond. So it is 2 but 2 in, or you can say 2 but in. So actually but 1 in and but 2 in the correct one, and here nowadays you are using this one. So it is called position isomerism because here after 1 there is a double bond, after 2 there is a double bond. This is the difference. The position of double bond is different. That is why here position isomerism. Next, but 1 in 2-methyl propene. What do you mean 2-methyl propene? See, if you count here the same C4H8. Here also if you count, here also C4H8. But what happened between, what is the difference between this and this? Here some substituent group, the branch group is present. So it is chain isomerism because here some branch position is there, substituent is there, that is why 2-methyl. After 1, this is 1 and this is 2. After in 2 there is a methyl group, so 2-methyl propene. So but 1 in 2-methyl propene, that is called chain isomerism because it is straight chain, it is a branch chain, and where CH3 on the position of carbon 2. In 2 carbon CH3 group is present, and after 1 there is double bond. So 2-methyl propene, that is called chain isomerism. This one is exception case for the propene, where propene here is CH3 CH2, and you can write also in terms of cycloalkane. So it is cyclopropane, it is simple propene. See, propene double bond, and here's propane, cyclopropane, there is no double bond. This is also represented by like this, and this is called ring chain isomerism. And here but 1 in, and now you can write also like this, that is cyclobutane, and here you can represent like this also. So what is the name here? This is cyclobutane. I hope it is clear. This is but 1 in, this is cyclobutane, that is ring chain isomerism. So in butene, what are the possible isomerisms? This is, I hope it is clear. And next we will proceed to pentene. In pentene, what are the possible isomerism present in pentene structure? What is the pentene? What is the formula? C5H10. What is the formula butene? C4Hi8. So we will see now pentene structure. Example pentene. What is the formula of pentene? C5H10. In pentene, what are the possible structure? What are the isomerism possible? Now you can see pent 1 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means after 1 there is double bond, so pent 1 in. After 2 there is a double bond, so pent 2 in. But here you count C5H10, here also C5H10, and that is called position isomerism. Why position isomerism? Because after 1 there is a double bond, and after 2 the position different, so it is called position isomerism of pentene. Now here chain isomerism, that means what are the chain may be possible in pentene. First one, pent 1 in. In pent 1 in, if I want to write, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here in 2 position there is methyl group, that is why it is called 2-methyl-but-1-ene. Here similarly in position 1, 2, 3 there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, correct. So 3 position methyl group, 3-methyl-but-1-ene. Similarly you can do also pent-2-ene. In pent-2-ene you can add here also you can add 1 methyl group, or here also. And similarly here also you can add 1 group, 3-methyl-but-1-ene, or you can write, but it is not possible because here CH2 group is there, double bond cannot be possible, so only 3-methyl-butene. But here if you want to write, here also only 1 methyl group can be attached. Anyhow, in pent-1-ene these are the chain isomerism possible. Always you try how the valency is satisfied of carbon or not. If not satisfied, then try to make satisfied 4 valency of carbon. Then suppose in this case, if I will put here just without hydrogen, I want to put, you see only 3 valency are there. So what to do? Here hydrogen means 1, 2, 3, 4. It is correct. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, when you write any structure, immediately try to satisfy the 4 valency of carbon. Similarly, here also see 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, wherever you require, you check the valency of carbon, that should be 4, otherwise the structure totally wrong. Then here you can see cycloalkane. Here pentene also shows cycloalkane, either pent-1-ene or you can write pent-2-ene, both having same the isomerism, that is called ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism, here 5 carbon, see, and 10 hydrogen also correct, that is called cyclopentane. One side pentene, other side cycloalkane. So here since 5 carbons are there, so cyclopentane. Here also if you count, that is C5H10. Here also count C5H10. This is the symbolic structure, that is ring chain isomerism. So I hope it is clear. Position isomerism, position should be different. 1 and 2 double bond. Here 1 after 1 and after 2 double bond present. And that is chain isomerism, substituent group should be different. The position of substituent group here see 2-methyl, 3-methyl, 3-methyl-but-1-ene. Similarly, you can also try for pent-2-ene. What are the changes? What are the changes of pent-2-ene? What are the possible chain isomerism for pent-2-ene? Here you can attach 1 CH3 group. Now this is the cycloalkane. Here alkene or changed to by the help of ring chain isomer changed to cycloalkane. Since 5 carbon, so it changes to cyclopentane. I hope it is clear to you what are the type of isomerism in alkane. What are the possible isomerism? One is position, chain, and last one is ring chain isomerism. And examples also you have seen. Now if the question is asked in pentene, what are the possible isomerism? These are the possible isomerism in pentene. One is position, chain, and last one is ring chain isomerism. Hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet Chemistry, and also I believe you will share and like my channel. And thanks for watching my video. Again, thanks to all.